Hello, welcome to case number 002. Alrighty, so I already did a case file 001, but this is like 002. So the past, I got the Five of Wands in reverse, and then I got the World in the upright. And then I got the Temperance in the upright for the future. And I'm also going to do like confirmations, but for now, this collective, I already kind of came up with the message before I hit record. So it's basically just letting me know that there are problems maybe in the past with certain people. However, right now in the present moment, the world card is like kind of having each other's backs and trying to find solutions, I guess, to problems. Maybe somebody in your close friend group has something going on, but maybe you have the answer to it. Because it leads me to the future as well, which is the Temperance in the upright. And this Temperance is like, because it's talking about there was problems. This reading is very much because fives are the Five of Wands. The number 5 is very representative of problems. But what comes after problems? The number 6. Well, 6 comes after the number 5, but problems is like, it's okay because the number 6 is all full of harmony, okay? And this is like major arcana for the present and the future. Ooh. So, yeah, if you have projects that you guys have to do, I would definitely do them. Ooh, 2 minutes, 2 minutes on the clock. I have this thing where I notice, I look at the clock when it's like 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 10 minutes. There's no numbers in between. And maybe that's significant to somebody. I don't know. I'm going to do confirmation for these. So confirmation for the Five of Wands. Ooh. Is the Ace of Swords in the upright. Yeah, exactly. Beginnings. Being able to find out within this like dimension of a world, because there's dimensions everywhere. We're just like, you just can't see some of them, most of them. But maybe. I don't know. But the Ace of Swords is like beginnings. See? Getting new thought ideas. Being able to actually get them out into the world. The world. Okay, so confirmation for the world is the High Priestess in reverse. And for the future, the Temperance got a confirmation. Ooh, the Emperor. The Emperor is Aries in the deck, by the way, so maybe if you're an Aries. In the future, you might be going out to eat with your pals and your friends, because that's how simple life can be sometimes. 333 on the clock. Oh my gosh. See, maybe I don't just look at it at just those numbers. Angel numbers too. Do you guys look at angel numbers as well? Do you guys see angel numbers? Yes, you guys do. I know you guys do. So, in the first case file, I actually did only past, present, future, confirmation, confirmation, confirmation. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do a message. And then I'm going to do the method. This is like the method. And this is the momentum. Oh, that makes a lot of sense now. And then this is going to be the blessing at the very end. I'm not going to look at it yet, but it's the blessing. So the Knight of Swords for the message overall is just, yeah, you got to go head. It's like jumping into the deep end. You just got to jump in and pray that you're going to be able to keep your head above water, because we do not want to drown ourselves. But and then the method is the Page of Wands in reverse. But I also got the High Priestess in reverse. And then again, remember how we had the World. So tying this all in, Oh, this is going to be a busy month. This is like a busy month if you're doing stuff, if you're executing your dreams and your ambitions. But if you're not, that's okay too. But you're just going to be beating yourself up for it, I think, to be honest, because I do that too. If I don't do what I have to do, I always beat myself up at it. So the Knight of Cups for the momentum. Do you know how knights are? They come just dashing in. They just come out of nowhere. So the Knight of Cups, see, it says like, you can kind of see it. It says boo. Ooh. They just coming in. So maybe you have a Knight of Cups. The Cups is like Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer energy. But overall, what am I getting from this? I don't remember if this was in the reverse or the upright, so who cares? 5:43 on the clock. Yeah, I'll just read the blessing. So the blessing is the Death card. And I had shuffled my deck, by the way, before this. So, Death in reverse. Yeah, definitely rebirthing. Maybe you guys are going through a big rebirth. I believe those are all necessary. Inner rebirths, outer rebirths, everything to do with rebirthing your own self. Maybe to, yeah, you got to propel yourself into the future somehow. So that is what I have for you guys today, I believe. Maybe, let me check what I have for the middle of the deck. I usually call the middle of the deck the truth, and then the bottom of the deck is like the underworld for me, so like secrets and stuff. So what secrets is there at the bottom? The Four of Cups. The Four of Cups in the upright is the secrets. It's kind of like a law of attraction. You attract what you don't focus on, or what is the saying? You attract. What was the saying? Josh. You attract what?
You attract what you
don't focus on?
Yeah, I'm not sure. I'll look it up.
No, it's okay. Look it up for later. Okay. So the Four of Cups. In the middle, the Fool. The Fool for the truth. Yeah, beginnings. So I'm actually I think I'm gonna call this reading beginnings. I think I'm gonna call it beginnings. I don't know. Who knows? Any more messages I have for the collective in this? Make sure you are careful about who you let at your table, by the way. Don't let people at your table if they're judgmental, if they're side-eyeing you. Don't just put up with people just because. That is the biggest message I think I have for this video. So yeah. So that was case number 002. Come back for the next case file when you're ready.